Cosmos, Issue 99. Cosmos is produced by the not-for-profit Royal Institution of Australia, whose mission is to inspire curiosity in the science of everything and make the world of science accessible to everyone. Your narrators are Dan Lizotte, Hannah Harms, Renee Garvin, and me, Daniel Townsend. From the editors, Gail McCallum and Ian Connellan. Seriously, could there be a better time to consider intelligence, both human and artificial? Sorry to reach for the daggy analog analogy, but the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, or right now. At the same time that machine learning, possibly several years ahead of expectations, has booted large language models into both the headlines and hysteria, researchers plumbing the depths of the human brain draw ever closer to really knowing how it works. And why? Editor-at-large Elizabeth Finkel reports on the current state of brain function investigation in a story narrated by Hannah Harms, while Richard A. Lovett reports on an astonishing leap in our ability to literally read minds. Something on which everyone seems to agree: AI is the thing that'll make the difference to brain research, as well as many other fields. What else would have us more or most excited than David Hancock's story about the repainting by the Binninge people of a revered spirit ancestor in Western Arnhem Land in the NT? This effort, a collaboration between traditional custodians and modern scientists, models a future in which Indigenous Australians' deep knowledge of and cultural ties to this land might scale equally as we seek long-term ecological knowledge to respond to the climate crisis. This story is narrated by Dan Lizotte. Elsewhere in the issue, we've returned to our New Ways of Seeing series, supported by funding from the Copyright Agency's Cultural Fund, as Drew Rooke explores the growing understanding of long-distance bird migration, with a particular focus on the surprisingly charismatic bar-tailed godwit. Trust us? Listen to the story, then break out the binoculars. It's narrated by Renee Garvin. Ashley Hay dives into the waters of the southern Great Barrier Reef to witness marine scientists discover...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?